Yes.
Why?
Because life is strange.
Because life is so strange.
Yes.
Like a stranger, the life.
Yes, you meet a lot of strangers. Is there something wrong with that?
Explain mo na bakit ano yung bakit. Why life
Because that is the title of the game eh.
What?
It's the title of a game.